difficulties faced during the power blackouts. Usually, teachers are unable to type lessons and print them out in time to distribute to the students, which also includes those students getting ICT, studying computers. They cannot do their practical in time, which delays.
I think solar energy is one of the most consistent and most beneficial power source in the whole of Papua New Guinea. For the schools, I think it will be reliable. It reaches not only the urban cities, but urban areas, but also to the majority of the rural areas, especially to the schools and to the hospitals. They will have the access to utilize and use solar panels in the line of duties, in the institutions that they are stationed in the remote areas. And I think this UNDP and the STREIT program has created a very, very, very vital assurance and service to those people who are disadvantaged.